If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're one of my subscribers, thank you so much. If you're watching my videos and you've not subscribed, really consider subscribing. It's free of charge, and that's the only way you get to support me. So let's jump straight into today's video.
"2,000 years later."
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So here is the outcome. My stock, my soup, my stew, my tumbukiza, whichever name you'll give it. It was so delicious, and I'll definitely do this again. And as you can see, it's meat on bone, you know. So yeah, we meet again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to pray. Praise the weapon. Bye.